Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jay and this is Make Money with Jay. If you're new here, welcome. I make videos on how to make money on Etsy with printable games. I also make money on Amazon KDP with low content books, like colouring books, activity books, things like that. I also show how to get some free colouring pages, free activity pages, free printable downloads, and I show all that on these kind of videos. Now feel free to come and check them out. There's lots of different variety of videos, including how to make money with videos, but today's video I'm going to show you how to create Mother's Day colouring pages. Now let's go over to Canva, and what I've done, I've got these digital stamps. I will show you where I got them later. And all I'm going to do, guys, is we're just going to make some colouring pages, yeah, and it shows you how simple they are. Now you can put them on here. You can have like a couple of, what we can do, guys, is this is what I do. I like to just put them like to the side like this, yeah. Obviously try and get them so they're behind, yeah. Then you can we got there, you can get another one on. You just play around with it, guys. That's all I do anyway, and hopefully it'll make like a nice colouring page for like your mum or your dad. Well, not your dad, your mum for Mother's Day. I'll just, yeah, sort of copied it there, guys. So we'll have it bigger, this down here. A minute, let's just, in fact, let's delete that minute. Let's get another one on. We'll make it bigger. Have it like that, I think. It's this simple. It's just play around with it. If you don't like it, obviously you can change things up a bit, and then we'll need it a little bit bigger because we don't want it to look at a place. Now if we move that a little bit, yeah. Move this one. So how does it look? Now you can get away with that, guys. You can also, if you wanted, well, these are some others, you could keep it like that and you could put some text on it. So you could have like 2 pages. Let's just have a look at this. I'll just put some text on it, and you could say, and then what we'll do, we'll make it a little bit bigger, yeah. I don't know how this is going to turn out, guys. Never tried it before, but put it in the center kind of thing. And you go to effects and you go to hollow. So yeah, it's not doing it as a font. You've got to play around with it. I'm not sure if we can do this. Yeah, I've got an idea, guys. Right, so you do it. Don't have any on it, right? Duplicate it, just move that one out of the way a minute. We'll have this one, we'll turn them white, and this one over it, but then we'll do the effects on this one, have it hollow, yeah, guys, and then we have to play around with it. There you go, guys. 1 minute. Yeah, there you go. And look, that's my first time doing it. Now you You can move these around, obviously. That can be a page on its own. That's another page. Now we can do some more, yeah. So let's do some more. Go back to our flowers, and you could do something like don't know, you could have something pretty like that, yeah. Again, I don't like having things mainly on the screen. It's all just playing around, yeah, guys. We've got lots of different things, so we'll have. Sorry if I'm not talking much, guys. Just trying to show you some different ideas, because my mums and that, they're not into all these cute little. I don't know. We could have like a flower in there. Let's make it smaller though. Could have a heart or something like that, guys. Yeah. I mean, you could fill these in a few different gaps. Yeah. You don't have to say one, obviously. You could put a few in here, like put some up there. Yeah, and that's it. Another one, a nice. It'll take them quite a while for like do it. Yeah, let's do another one. Yeah, and then we can. I don't know. You could have like these in the. I know we keep doing this, guys, but let's have a look. You can use different like flowers, like different petals and stuff like that. We'll do some with the text in a minute as well, guys. You can make as many of these as you want. You can either use them on your own, or you can sell them over on Etsy, or create plenty of them and create a colouring book for your KDP, or create quite a few of them, create a colouring book, then use some of them, sell on Etsy. So you're making like, you have two ways to make money. Then put this one up there a minute, guys. Then yeah, so you've got two different ways of making income. You know, putting all your eggs into one basket kind of thing. And that's what I do, guys, pretty much. Is I try and make money a few different ways. Like, so you're making them already, you might as well utilise it and make them like others. So if you shorten it too much, it's going to lose the thickness of the thing. So I'll get rid of that, delete that. You could keep it like that, yeah. Nice big rows. I'm not sure if it's a rose actually, guys. I don't know whether my flowers. What you could do if you can't be bothered doing this, guys, is just position it and you go to backwards, yeah. And you look, it's behind it now, yeah. You could keep it something simple like this. Have a leaf, I believe, like, yeah. Trying to keep the thickness of the lines, you see. Can we have this one? Is this one going to work? Suppose it could do. If we turn it a little bit, it might fit in. Yeah. So I'll just mess it up a bit more. Yeah. So, do you know what I mean? Simple little designs like this, mothers might mothers will like them, won't they? Yeah. Then got all these down here as well. I'll show you where I got all these from. I've got these kind as well. These like different like flowers. Like I don't know what, like different kinds of flowers, but in like bubbles, isn't there? I'm just going with the flow here. I don't know what I'm really doing, to be fair, guys. I'm just seeing how it turns out. I'm trying to match all these different lines. They're all touching. See if it makes like a nice picture kind of thing. Yeah. No, maybe that's the wrong flower for this. Maybe we need, I like this kind of flower. It's going to be up here, isn't it? So shrink it down a bit there. So it's only touching the barrier. Shrink it down here and here, and again here. We need a bit more of that. Yeah, so it's touching that. Then we need another flower here, so I don't know, maybe this one here. And I don't know what kind of these flowers are. Maybe this isn't the flower we should use. Maybe we need one what's going to be like longish stir, like so, something like this. This could be a good one. Shorten it. Oh, this one's not fitting either. But as you can see, it's another style of flower, like Mother's Day, like flowers and stuff like that. Yeah. What else have we got down here? We've got some more. So should we make another one? Yeah. Let's have the page. Just delete all these flowers. Sorry about that, guys. Popular. Now, this is a quick one, so we can get on with the video. Yeah. Move that, and then one more thing, maybe any long ones here. Whatever this is, I don't know. Trying it a bit. And then something simple as that, yeah? Or you could just have writing on, couldn't you? Some bit of text, yeah? So let me just go up here. I'm just gonna, oh no. Yeah, this is what I'll do. Come up here a minute. Let me just copy that. You could start with the text, guys. You could put the text. Let's just delete all the text a minute, actually. Alright. Yeah. Put it in the center. Maybe make it a bit smaller. Right, so that's center. Then you could put some flowers on, and I kind of like this big rose up here, guys. I've used it a lot. Make it a bit smaller. Fact, delete that. Let me click on that. Let me copy it. Hopefully this will turn out alright as well. Put it up here, make it a bit bigger. Closer to that, yeah. Let's do one more. Oh, what's happening there? Yeah, I think it looks alright, guys. It's, yeah, that is it, guys. That's how simple it is. Now, if you want to know where I got these from, if you go over to Creative Fabrica and all I've typed in is flowers digital stamps, you can type in anything you want, like, and then put digital stamps on the end, or just put digital stamps and it'll bring up loads, guys. Yeah, and I'm not sure how much these cost individual packs. They're not much, guys. You can buy them individual packs if you want. And I basically just downloaded all these, guys. Yeah, all these different flowers. Yeah, and I added them into my folder on Canva. Yeah, and then you can just use them. And if you look on my Canva, I've got if you go down, no, 1 minute, digital stamps here. I've got lots of ones. I've got flowers, spring, sea, road trip, football, Easter, cowboy, Christmas, and lots more. And this is not even half of them, guys. I've got plenty more to upload. It's just time consuming, yeah. But if you go over to create a Canva, right, I will leave the link in the description, and sometimes you can get a discount where you can get it just for $1. You sign up for a month, you can download as many as you want, guys, and use them. And they're all like commercial. Most of them have got commercial licenses. They're all free for use, and then use them as many times as you want on your books and that. You can get coloured ones, but if you look, you can get lots of different stuff, fonts, you name it, guys. You can get interiors for your KDP, so you can type in Mother's Day and get lots of different interior. This is just what I'm showing you for the digital stamps, but you don't have to use the digital stamps, it's just easier. And yeah, so I'll leave the link in the description. It is an affiliate link, so if you do click on it, I will make a commission. It's only a small commission, but you'll not get any extra charges on you. It's just them giving me a thank you for sending you over, basically. But yeah, guys, that is it. So if you want these free colouring pages, I will download them, yeah, and I will upload them to my website, and you can have them one absolutely free for you. You can use them, yeah, guys. If you come over to the Christmas Everyday Club, I will upload them here. And if you come over here anyway, guys, you will find that you can get some more free colouring pages, yeah, Easter colouring pages, lots of different colouring pages, activity pages, and printable games, guys. Yeah, I will leave the link for this in the description as well. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'm only a small channel. I appreciate all the support I can get, and comment below if you enjoyed this video. If you want me to see me to make more videos, if you want to watch me make more videos, let me know in the comments below. And till next time, guys, thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.